Alright, YouTube, this is evening edition, Wednesday. Well, this is the unboxing edition. October 15th of 2025. So, what came in the box is the battery. I tried to do an unboxing, but I can't do it. On the very top was the manual, and then your other pieces. The batteries are heavy, nice. I like the handles on it. And no, I am not going to rip this apart. I'm not going to do a drain test or capacity test. I am not going to do none of that stuff. There what it is. That's what it looks like. Because I don't have the equipment or the setup to do any kind of unboxing. So, what I'm going to do, I need to switch hands. There we go. So I am going to open this one for you guys. This is kind of awkward one hand. And remember, cut towards your body, guys. Cut towards your body. So if you cut yourself, then you have something to brag about. I'm trying to cut this and watch what I'm doing on the phone at the same time, and that is hilarious. Alright, so when you open the box up, that's what it looked like when you open the box up. You got your manual, and then you got your extra, you got your bolts and screws. You go down over there with that. Then you had a nice top plate. Nice little top plate, like the other ones. I actually might just set the battery on top of it over there. And this is the battery. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's hilarious, guys. Hilarious. There we go. You guys got my camera came undone. My little hold. You guys like that little version of hope nobody got sick there. Hope nobody threw up and got sick from the roller coaster ride. And there we go. They look pretty nice. I like them. Alright, so I am not going to do a capacity test. I am not going to drain it, and no, I'm not going to do none of that stuff because I don't have none of that equipment. And my video, my channel is not for pretty much that. It is for everyday life. Now, if I didn't pay for these were shipped to me for free, and I'd review them. Oh, hell yeah, I'd take them apart and beat them up and run some major tests on them and all that good stuff. But hey, this is $500. This is almost $600 sitting here. Up to $577. So I'm going to upload this video, and then the next video I'm going to upload will be the system that be taken offline, and that be put into place. And that's that.